All right, I don't know if my fucking GoPro's working. It's been a while since I used it. It's been a while since I made a video. As you can see, we're in another shop here. It's being a pain in the ass, so I'm not in Alabama no more. I'm now in Texas again. But this time I'm gonna be here for maybe a year or two, or shit, I just might move here, I don't know. But we got the truck, some of my shit. I don't got everything here, but I got the majority of everything so I can keep working on the truck. That's my big thing. I haven't worked on it in like 2 months, and I just want to get it fucking finished. Moving around with no fucking steering, fucking no nothing was a pain in the ass trying to get it from Alabama to Texas by myself. So I got the mock-up engine in it still. I got some bullshit going on there. Time jump, so got everything tacked. Not gonna get up close because I don't know what's up with my welder, or if this stuff's aluminized or what, or if it's, no, I don't know, my welder's just not working. So, little time jump or a little update. We're gonna go, we got our cardboard cutouts. This is gonna go right there on the top, and it's gonna mount right here. So right now I'm gonna set you up and we're gonna cut this out. I'm gonna follow it in between here and right here, and this bolt right here, and right here. That's our plan. And we're back. I borrowed my neighbor's shop neighbor, his welder, because it's a 220. The thing fucking welds pretty fucking way better than what I got. So right now, I clean all this shit off. I'm getting ready to, well, I'm preheating all this. Preheating, I don't got a temperature gun, so I'm just gonna get it fucking hot. And this welder fucking burns really hot too, so that'll help out a lot better than that 110. I burn it on, and hopefully it doesn't come off. They do about 140, 145 mile an hour. Actually making good progress here. I kind of fucked up a little bit by welding this thing out. I'm gonna have to drill a hole up here on the top or the bottom so I can get a nut on the back side of here. So I kind of fucked up a little bit, but it's no big deal. I was planning on drilling holes in there anyways, just because, I guess. And then on this, we're doing all right. I'm not a welder by any means. By any means. I mean, I weld at work, but that's about it. And it's not fabrication like this. biggest thing, I guess this isn't a how-to video because I'm not going to tell you how to do something to be wrong. Biggest thing on this thin stuff is to move your welds around. And obviously make sure you tack the inside so it stays plumb, so it doesn't draw over when you're welding. But move your welds around, let it cool down. Don't rush it, because that fucking not the pan, but the cover will probably warp because it's so much thinner than what I'm using, and it's not meant to be welded on, I guess, like this. But fuck it. I'm letting it cool down for a second, and we'll get right back. Ah, fuck. All right, it's been a couple months, obviously, but I'm just gonna post this video. The steering's not 100% done, but I only lack one U-joint, and then it'll be finished. And I gotta weld everything out for the most part. I mean, I only got like 4 things to weld out. But this wasn't a how-to video, because I'm not a professional by any means. I don't want you getting the wrong idea, or an idea of this is how you gotta do it, and then you try to do it my way and it doesn't work. And so since it's been like 5 months since I fucking redid that other video, so I'm not sure what I have and what I don't have, so I was gonna piece this video together. But in the meantime, I'm happy how it turned out. I was waiting on parts, I was moving states. This is a fucking pain in the ass. That's why I don't ever really upload these videos, but other than when I can. So a little overview is those. I kind of fucked up. I put them upside down right here, but it works out because I want to put a nut on the top. And I gotta find something that keeps that from going up and down. I gotta swap one of these ends with the other end, because I have fucking 2 left hands and 2 right hands on one side, so it's not adjusting the alignment. So right here, oh fuck, that's still hot. It's a 1/4 inch plate welded onto the axle, and then a 1/4 inch plate welded onto the diff cover. I gotta weld that out, finish welding that out. So all in all, I think I saved like 150 pounds. Well, I cut off 150 pounds and I probably added about 50 pounds. So I mean, it was 100 pounds, which is a lot of fucking work. But the only thing I lack is one U-joint. The steering shaft I got from just a Speedways Motors, adjustable, collapsible, I guess. This, I don't know if I like it or not. I might. I got a tube of chromoly here. I got a new welder. It's actually pretty badass, man. It does stick, TIG, and DC TIG. So I might just bend up a couple pieces of my chromoly and weld onto it and make my own steering shaft mount. But other than that, it's all said and done, almost ready to start steering. My innovative 5-lobe kit, that's gonna be coming up next right here. I just gotta get new not new seals, but new fucking bearings and whatnot. I gotta get them pressed into the shit there. So I mean, it'll be upcoming videos. I'm not moving any more time soon, because I'm actually on a pretty good job. So I'll just keep trying the videos as much as I can, guys. I mean, bear with me here. It'll be fun. I'll finish the truck, I promise.